Dough for a ravioli pasta, a spinach feta dogo. Okay. What are you making?
Okay, the butter board.
That there's no shell. 30 grams of sugar. Gotta wash the hands. Wow, it's as big as your head.
And one of you gets this
What are you doing?
Sewing on clasp
For?
my cosplay.
She's so funny. What are you doing, Kiki?
Making the cinnamon filling.
The cinnamon's
Yummy.
so good.
It smells good,
So tasty.
but someone does not like it.
I don't know.
What are you doing?
I'm doing KFC.
And then the dogs are sleeping. Mix. Ah! You got it. Just keep going. No, that means you have the ability to make your own cinnamon buns.
That's so funny.
You look so serious.
I look serious.
You do.
Okay. And now. Oh, I can't cut, obviously. We'll make it work.
I don't remember buying anything. That's you.
Yeah.
Just mix it with powdered sugar and. Oh, that's like a good amount. Spring rolls. I mean,
What?
yeah, and then 4. Wow. Yeah, just spaced out.
4, 5, tiny one, 6, or this way.
Go here. Yeah. This looks so.
It's in the fridge.
How much layer is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. The apricot is ready to go into the oven. Whenever the timer or the thing.
And then probably just back to 1. And then do you like press it?
Yeah, you have to press. I know, but like to. You know what I mean? What do you think?
Very blurry. Like I want to like zoom in. You know, like go from here to like there.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put on the other gloves.
I heard the TV is
And
wrong.
ignore the burnt parts. But what is it?
Wow, wow, that looks so beautiful.
Oh, we didn't watch this.
When did that happen?
Almost 100 points. What? Bro.
Sugar.
I don't know.
I think it just depends. Good?
How much time do you have right now?
Dude.
Looks a lot.
Whatever. Yeah.
Wow. Or maybe it was too thick. Oh wow. Wow. Wow.
Oh, lion.
Apricot.
It's done.
He's like, when am I gonna get this?